Welcome to How to Literally, where it's simple, smart, and scam-free. Today, we're comparing Motivewave Sierra Chart and Quantower to help you figure out which trading platform fits your style. Motivewave is powerful with its advanced tools like Elliott wave analysis and strategy backtesting. Sierra Chart is known for its speed and precision, making it great for futures trading. The downside is it's not the most user-friendly and the interface feels outdated. Quantower offers a sleek, modern design and supports a wide range of markets, including crypto, forex, and futures. However, it lacks some of the advanced technical tools that platforms like Motivewave or Sierra Chart provide. If you're focused on advanced technical analysis, Motivewave is a great pick. If speed and simplicity matter most, Sierra Chart is hard to beat. For a more balanced approach with a modern look, Quantower offers flexibility across different markets. Every platform has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what you need most in a trading platform. The one that suits your style will always be the best choice. That's your breakdown, simple, smart, and scam-free. This is How to Literally. Catch you in the next one.